doing today is I have to finish up making my stitches. Okay, so this is 2 stitches that I'm making. Right now I have to make 2 heads and 2 bodies. Everything else I made the eyes, I made the legs, I made the feet, I made the tail, I made the toes, I made the fingers, I made everything. They're all in this bucket. See? And this morning I got done with these because I'm making 2 more big size. This one is sold. There's a nurse that's going to order this from me for his daughter. So it's pretty big. And then this is a little one. I wanted to make some little ones. So this is actually a different pattern. Well, I kind of revised it a little bit. But this one, I got the pattern on Etsy. So there's 2 different sizes I'm making. And in here in this bucket is the size of this. So I'm making 2 more. And I'm going to be making just a bunch of stitches for now. And then I'm going to make the hula girl later. So I'll put Mr. Stitch up here for now. That one is sold. And then I got to make the body. So that's what I'm doing. And welcome to my channel. I'm Lottie and Silvis. And I'm currently been really busy crocheting, but I also do some online things, and I do sell digital products too. So if you want to check out my other channel, you can go under this channel, link to my other channels. Alright, and I do have to keep up with my channels because some of them are monetized, and I do make a little income with it. So I do a lot of things online. And I'm not shy making videos. I love making videos. So that is me. I will talk to you guys later. Watch the next video. I haven't been making videos lately, but I'm making this one right now to submit it to my crochet channel. And I will be doing a craft show the first week of August. Right now I'm just doing some more things I have to make. I am going to be making Smurf. I have a pattern for Smurf, and other little things I have to make for my aunt in Hawaii. Somebody's watching one of my videos. Okay, so I will see you all later. Have a great day and stay blessed. And if you want to learn how to crochet, then join my membership. I take you step by step how to crochet. Bye.